I'm John Arfmann, a service plumber with Pipe Wrench Plumbing. We got a customer here with a leak behind his wall today. We're gonna fix it for him. So what made me want to work here? I had intended on moving to East Tennessee. When I spoke to my uncle about it, he's someone who's involved in the Nexstar system as a whole, and the shop came recommended to me. So when I got ready to pick up and go, this was the only job application I put in. I chose Pipe Wrench. Before working at Pipe Wrench, I lived about an hour north of New York City. I was working for a shop there called Aqueduct Services. It was another plumbing, heating, cooling company, and followed a very similar model to what we here at Pipe Wrench do. I was with them about 5 years. Prior to that, I've been plumbing for about 13 years. I started doing this type of work when I was about 13 years old myself, so it's almost become ingrained in me at this point. It's hands-on. I like working with my hands. I've done a lot of different types of work over the years. Plumbing is the one thing that I've sort of been consistent with. I like to be able to see the product of my work. Something physical that you can touch, actually feel. What do I like best about working for Pipe Wrench is probably the people here. Everybody's really friendly. The atmosphere, the work environment is really good. And probably above all, how organized they are. I've worked for a lot of disorganized shops in the past, and it's really a breath of fresh air seeing a shop run like this. What's life like outside of work? I'm pretty quiet. I don't go out and do a whole lot, but I do like being outdoors, hunting, fishing, hiking, riding motorcycles, playing music. I can play a little bit of everything, but primary instrument is a harmonica. I play the blues.